All right, so now we're going to build out the functionality to log our user in, and for that I'm going to head over to my auth service. And because we've already written out the functionality to register a user, it's kind of a little bit easier. Let me add a comment here and say register user. It's kind of a little bit easier for us to build out the one to log in the user. So what I'm going to do is, you see all of this functionality, I can just duplicate it and rename and then modify it. So I'll just come here and then I'll just duplicate this downwards. Did I do that correctly? I don't think I did. Okay, so I'll duplicate this downward. Aha, so now I have, and we have two of these. So let's come down and add a comment that say login user. So here we're going to change the name of this function to login user as well. Aha, so great. So now when we want to log in a user, we are expecting to have the user email and password sent to the back end, and that's going to be inside this user data. So we're expecting user data. Then we'll create a response variable where we are doing axios.post. So logging in the user is also a post request, but then the URL that we are pointing to is not registered. It has to be API/users/login. Just a reminder, if I bring up this my Insomnia here and we go to the login screen, so here where we're logging in the user, if you click on that, you see here that, come on, so we have users/login. So that's essentially what we are changing. So I'll come here and change this register to login. Okay, then remember I said that with this with credentials, we've already set it in our app.js, this one here where we set the axios.default and with credentials to true. So what this means is technically we can get rid of this with credentials here and in every other place where we use axios, right? Then if response.status is equal to okay, well, we just want to say that logged in or user logged in successfully. So here I'll just say login successful, like so. Then I'll return the data that comes with that response, and that data is just the data about the user, same data that we send when we register. Then of course if there's any error, we'll just send the error and alert it on the page using our toast. So that's about it for setting up the service to log in the user. So in the next one, we are going to now write the function in the register and the login components to help us log our user in. So see you there.